Right, okay, this is going to be some Formula 4 example solves. I'm going to try and make it quick. Just a slight disclaimer before I start. I only solve on green. If you only solve on white or yellow or blue or orange or red, I'm sure you can still follow along. It's not the most difficult thing in the world. It's going very slow, so following on green example solves shouldn't be the hardest thing in the world. But if you want me to do example solves on white, then just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'm sure I can make another video on just doing white-sided example solves, or whatever side you want me to do. The scrambles will be in the description, so if you want to follow along, you can. Besides that, let's get started. Okay then, looking at the first few centers, I see I have a blue bar done right here, and I see one of the blue pieces here, and the other is here. So I'll match these two blue pieces up, and then put the two bars together. Going on to green, I see I have a piece here and a piece here, so I'll match them up and insert it into the top. I can see I have my last two green here and here, so I'll match them up and then finish the green. So that's the first two centers. Going on to first three cross edges, I can see I have a green and orange right here, and a green and orange right here. So bring this down and pair them up. Then I insert it in. After that, I can see I have a white and green piece here, and a white and green piece here. So I'll mash them up and slide it in. Taking note that I'm using the right color scheme. So green will be here, white will be here, which means orange will be here and red will be here. So for the last cross edge, I can see I have a green and red here, and a green and red here. So I can match them up, and I can slot it in. I can see I have three yellow centers done, and I can see I have my last one right here. So I'll bring this up to match the bar, bring it to the side, and bring this yellow bar back down. I can see I have a completed red bar right here, and my last two red are here and here. So I'll match up my last two red, and I'll insert the last bar. So I have my yellow and red center done now. I'm going on to the last two centers. I can see I can match this white with this white here, and then finish the centers by bringing this white into this slot right here. For the last cross edge, I can see I have a green and yellow here, and another green and yellow here. So I can bring this down, bring this across, put this into here, and then bring it back so that they're matched up. And then I'll finish the cross. Going on to edges now, I can see I have a red and yellow right here, and the other is right here. So I'll slice across, insert this here. Now looking for the blue and white edge, and I can see it's right here. So what I'll have to do is I'll take this out and then insert it. Then I'm looking for the white and orange piece, and I can see it's right here. So I can insert it, and then I'll slice back. Now I can see there's a blue and yellow piece here, and another one right here. So I'll bring this into the middle there, and I can see there's a white and orange piece here. So when I slice this over and match the blue and yellow up, I'm looking for the other yellow and orange piece, and I can see it's right here. So I'll put this yellow and orange piece in the place where the blue and white is, where the blue and yellow is, and then slice back. So now that the orange and yellow pair is solved now as well. and that also solved the white and red. So for solving the last two edges, if it's only two edges left, what I'll do is I'll put them both into the middle there. So if I have the blue and orange here and the other blue and orange here, I can slice across, I can flip, and I can slice back. And that will finish all of the edges. And then for 3x3 stage, I have this green, yellow and orange corner here, and the yellow and orange edge here. So, pair it up, put it in the back. That's off this pair here, so I'll just insert it. I can see this corner matches up with this edge. And for the last pair, it's this case here, so I'll just do that. For All Out Party, I use Lucas Party because I just think that's the best party to use for 4x4 and 6x6. But when you're trying to execute Lucas Party, be sure you use the double click with your left hand as well. So do that as well as double clicking with your right. All Out, PLL Party, and then PLL. Okay, then for this case, I have this blue bar already solved for me. I can see the last two blue pieces are here and here. So I'll match them up, and then I'll match the two blue bars up. You can see I already have this 3 green pieces set together. But what I'll do is I'll just take this part and put it into the top. And you can see the last green center is here. So I'll match that up with this to create the green bar, and then insert it in, so that now the first two centers are done. Moving on to first 3 cross edges, I can see I have a green and red here, and a green and red here. So I can put them both into the middle there, match them up, and match it up with the green center. I can see I have a green and orange right here, and a green and orange right here. So I can put them both into the middle there, match them up, and then match it with the green cross. You can see I have a green and yellow right here, and the other one is right here. So put them both into the middle there, match them up, and there's my first 3 cross edges done. For centers, I can see I have this 3 bar here for yellow, and the last yellow center is right here. So I'll just set it up, match this, bring it across, and bring this yellow bar back down. For orange cross, I can see I have an orange piece right here, and another orange center right here. So I can match the two up. Then I see the other 2 orange centers are here and here. So I'll match them up first, and then complete the orange center. And for the last 2 centers, I can see all I need to do is match this center up with this one, and then finish the red center. For the last cross edge, I can see I have a white and green right here, and the other one is here. So I'll slice across, insert this into the middle there, and slice back to pair them up. Then put it into the cross. So now I have the cross done. For edges, I can see I have a white and orange here, and the other one is right here. So I'll slice across, insert this in. I can see I have a blue and white right here, and the other one is right here. So I'll just insert that. Now I'm looking for yellow and red, which I can see is right here. So I'll insert this, and then I'll slice back. What I would try to do here is I would try to preserve this pair because it's already done. So I'll take this out and insert it. So now this F2L pair is done. And now I'll just solve the remaining edges, making sure I preserve this F2L pair. So I can see the white and red is here, and the other one is here. So I can see now that the other red and blue edges are also here, so this is just kind of like a two pair. So what it is, I've flipped this so that when I bring this across, I can flip it and then slice back to solve both edges at the same time. Then the last of it is just a tree cycle, so I'll put two of the edges in like this. I'll match one of them up and then insert the last edge. So now all my edges are solved. I already have this yellow and red pair done, and I can see this orange and white pair is already matched up for me. So all I have to do is insert it. I can see this white and red pair here, and the corners here. So do this F2L pair, and see the last pair is here. So set it up and insert. And then again with the double flick for Lucas parity. So they were two 4x4 example solves. If you want me to do example solves on another cube, say 3x3 or maybe 6x6 or 5x5 or whatever it is, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I'm sure I'll make a video on it. And if you want me to do example solves on white or yellow or whatever color for 4x4, you can leave that down in the comment section below as well, and I'm sure I'll make a video on that. Well, that's been it for this 4x4 example solves video. I hope you enjoyed it or learned something from it. Thanks for watching.